Hello students, welcome back to MP Ladder. First of all, give yourself a big smile because every day you are becoming stronger in decimals. Remember, math is not difficult. Math becomes easy when we learn slowly, step by step. Today is a special class because from today onwards, we will discuss practice questions answers at the end of the same video itself. So, you can immediately check your understanding. Are you ready? Let's begin. Before starting today's topic, let us quickly check yesterday's answers. Yes, shall we start yesterday's answer quickly? First question, 0.9 minus 0.4, which is equal to 10th place. Both are 10th place. So what is the answer? 9 minus 4, 5. So 0.5 is the answer. Second question, 0.85 minus 0.25. So just we write down where the decimal point should be aligned correctly. 5 minus 5 0, 8 minus 2 6. Decimal point is aligned. 0 minus 0 is 0. Where we have written 0.60 or 0.6 is the answer. Let's go for third question. Rupees 45.75 minus rupees 20.50. 45.75 minus 20.50. Align the decimal point correctly. 5 minus 0, 5. 7 minus 5, 2. Point is aligned correctly. 5 minus 0, 5. 4 minus 2, 2. So 25.5 is the correct answer. Next last question. 0.60 minus 0.08. This is very important. Align everything properly before you do the subtraction. 0.60 minus 0.08. So 0, we can't minus 8 from 0. So what we have done? Carry forward. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. So this becomes 5. 5 minus 0, 5. The decimal point is aligned properly. 0 minus 0, 0. So 0.52 is the correct answers. So excellent work students. From today onwards, practice answers will be discussed at the end of the same class. So learning will become even easier. Till now what we learned? How to compare the decimals. We learned how to compare the decimals. Then how to add the decimals. Yes. Then how to subtract the decimal. So in addition and subtraction, what is the golden rule I taught you? The decimal point should be aligned properly. This will be worked only in addition and subtraction. So don't forget this golden rule whenever you're doing addition and subtractions in decimals. Today we are going to learn multiplication of decimals. So let's begin with the multiplication of decimals with example 1. Rupees 10.50 into 2. Be very careful in multiplication because addition and subtraction we have done. Normal addition and subtraction, but only the decimal point is aligning. As I am experienced from 2 years in the teaching, I see many students go wrong with the multiplication and division of decimals. So we'll go slowly step by step. 10.50 into 2. So ignore the decimal point. Just ignore the decimal point. Write the numbers. 1050 into 2. So just multiply normal multiplication. 0 into 2, 0. 5 2s are 10. 0, 1 carry forward. 0 into 2, anything multiplied with 0 is 0. As we have 1 here, just get down 1. Next, 2 ones are 2. You got this answer? 2100 you got. But we are doing the decimals. What we have to do in decimals of multiplication? There is one golden rule. Multiply normally first. As we have done multiplication normally first. Then count decimal places. We have to count the decimal places. How after decimal point, how many digits we have here? 1, 2. Yes, students? After decimal point, this point, after decimal point, we have 2 digits. So, count decimal places. We have 2 decimal places. Now, you count from this side for multiplication. 1, 2, yes, 1, 2. What is the answer now? Where we have to put the dot? After 2 places. So, what is the answer for rupees 10.50 into 2? 21.00 is the answer. I hope everyone should follow this golden rule for the multiplication, where multiply normally first, then count the decimal places. Let's go to the second example. 0.5 into 2. So, normal multiplication. 5 2s are 10. So, how many count we have the decimal places here? After digit, we have one decimal place. So, how to write this one? So, what will be the answer here? 5 2s are 10 we have done. 10 is there. But only one digit is there. So, after one number, one digit will keep the dot. So, the answer will be 1.0. Let's go. Example 3. We have 0.5 into 0.2. Now, this is where many students will get confused, because here we have done 10 here. Correct. 1.0 we got. Why? We have only one digit after decimal point. But here we have 0.5 into 0.2. The answer will be 10. Same answer. The answer will be 10. The same answer. But for this answer, 10 will be the incorrect. What the common mistake all the students will do. So what is the answer for this one? Write 10 only. Do normal multiplication first, but count the decimal places. After this decimal point, we have one digit this side. Here also we have a decimal point. Right hand side and left hand side both we have decimal point. After this decimal point, we have one more decimal digit. So 1 plus 1, total we have 2 digits. So how to keep? 1, 2. Now you keep dot here. Then you apply the 0 here. So 0.10, or you can write 0.1. This is the correct answer. So, students, don't do these mistakes. 5 2s are 10, yes. But many students get confused here and they don't know how to do the decimals of multiplication. Once you correct this one, it will be perfect. You have to see two sides how many digits after point is there. But here only 2 is there. Whole number is there. Here we have decimal number. So 1 plus 1, 2 digits after we have to keep the point. 0.10 is the answer. Yes. Now it's your turn. Just pause the video and try these questions. First question, 0.4 into 2. Second question, 0.25 into 4. Third question, rupees 12.50 into 2. Fourth question, 0.3 into 0.2. Let us check the answers together. Pause the video and solve the questions. Then unpause and we'll solve the answers together today itself. So let us go with the answers. Today's answers. Yes. First we'll go with the first question. 0.4 into 2. So what I said is a whole number. After decimal point we have only one digit. So 4 2s are 8. After 8.0. 0.8 is the answer for first question. Second question. 0.25 into 4. This is also whole number. Only we have point here. After point we have two digits. So just multiply 25 into 4. So 5 4s are 20 to carry forward. So 4 2s are 8. 100 will be the answer. But how many digits we have here? One digit, two digit. So 0 0 1 2 point 1 will be the answer. Hope you guys understand. Make more questions and make the practice for perfect. Third one answer, 12.50 into 2. So just normal multiplication, 1250 into 2. So this is also whole number. There is no any point here. So when you do normal multiplication, what will happen? 0 into 2, 0. 5 2s are 10. 1 carry. 2 twos are 4, 5. 2 ones are 2. But after point, how many digits are there? 1 and 2. So after 2 digits, just put the decimal point. The answer will be 25. It's not because whole number. This comes here. This is the main important. 3 twos are 6 is the answer. As normal multiplication, 3 twos are 6. As I said, we have decimal point here also, here also. So 1 here, 1 decimal digit after point, 1 more digit here after decimal point. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So what to do? Only we got 6 answer here. So 1 digit, 2 digit, 0.0. The answer will be 0.06. Yes, this is the answer. Very easy, right? So you can just enjoy that. Fantastic work, students. Remember, math is not about speed. Math is about understanding. Slow learning becomes strong learning. Keep practicing and keep climbing one step at a time with the MP ladder. In the next video, we will learn division of decimal made easy. See you in the next class. Thank you.